Okay, now as you can clearly see, I look like a chimney sweep. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo, da 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 da. My lady, governor. Yeah, I just want to hit it by the end of the night. I love you, and I need you, Nelly, I need you, even when I'm with Mama, all I think about is you. I'm so hungry, oh my god, it is literally almost 4 a.m. That's not funny. Maybe it is. I swear to you, this is like the time when I function the best. 4 a.m. Look at me, all alive and we're just gonna sit here and, you know, fucking sip our tea or whatever. Darling. Okay, weird fact about me. I like to blow bubbles in my tea. It does serve a purpose though. I am cooling it. What a fun story, Deborah. Could you share any more really fun stories with us? Probably. I probably can. Sunny boy. Oh, I wish I had somewhere to go, but like I'm in quarantine, bitch. Bitch. Have I had lipstick on my teeth this whole time? If I have, I'm not recording that again. We're a one take kind of lady, okay? One and done. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Excuse me, Gert. No, we sure do. Sometimes I don't know what possesses me, but that was beautiful. If anyone wants to give me my record contract, I'll be here all day. TikTok, am I right, ladies? Let a hoe know, darling. I'm done with you. Okay, also my nose itches, and technically, yes, I am getting boogers out, so I guess I am picking my nose. Wasn't me. And, excuse me, that was not part of the and. I'm a lady. Boo. Did I scare you? Did I scare you? You're so scared. You know, boys are idiots. Am I right, ladies? Oh my god, I don't know why I'm sober, but y'all, excuse me. I'm calling the cops on myself. Thank you very much. No need to call the police. It's fine, don't worry about it. We don't want to look like a toad, okay? A toad. I'm getting it all in my hairline. Isn't that cute? It is cute. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Beautiful. Amazing. Beautiful. Amazing. Vomit. Love it.
Talented, brilliant, incredible. Shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
Oopsie. Oopsie poopsie. On the counter. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Booty boop. Beady boop. Beady boop. Beady boop. Beady boop. Zoomy zoom zoom. IG2G. I will TTYL LYLAS swag. But it. That's all, folks.